In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in StumbleGuys account with Apple ID. So go ahead and grab your iPhone and open up the StumbleGuys app. Once you tap on it, just give it a moment to load fully. You'll see the loading screen pop up, and it might take a few seconds depending on your connection, so just let it finish and don't tap anything yet. When the game finally loads and you're on the main screen, look up at the top right corner. You'll see a small gear icon there, which is the settings button. Go ahead and tap on that gear icon to open the settings menu. Once you're inside the settings, make sure you're on the general tab. That's usually the default one, so you should already be there. Now at the very top of the general section, you'll see an option that says connect. This is where you link your game progress to an account so it doesn't get lost. Go ahead and tap on connect. As soon as you do that, a few sign-in options will appear on the screen. From the list of options, choose the one that says connect with Apple. This is the option that lets you log in using your Apple ID. After tapping it, a confirmation screen will pop up asking you to continue with Apple. Go ahead and tap continue. At this point, your iPhone will ask you to sign in with your Apple account. Depending on your settings, this might use Face ID, Touch ID, or ask you to enter your Apple ID email and password manually. Just follow whatever prompt shows up on your screen and complete the sign-in process. Once you confirm your Apple ID login, the game will take a moment to link your account. You might see a short loading animation or a quick confirmation message. Just let it finish and don't close the app while it's working. After that, your StumbleGuys account will now be connected to your Apple ID. At this point, your progress is safely linked, which means you can recover your account if you switch phones, reinstall the game, or log in on another compatible device. You can back out of the settings menu and return to the main game screen once everything is done. If you ever want to double check that the connection worked, you can always go back into the settings, tap the gear icon again, head to the general tab, and look at the connect section. It should now show that your account is linked with Apple, and that's really all there is to it. Just open StumbleGuys, go into settings, tap connect, choose connect with Apple, continue and sign in with your Apple ID. It's a quick process, but it's definitely worth doing so you don't lose your progress later on.